Hello friends, welcome to MechatHeart. In this Autodesk Fusion 360 tutorial, we are going to see how trim tool works. Go to sketch command and select trim, or you can type T in the keyboard. Here are two lines that are intersected. Unwanted lines can be deleted. In this sketch, we have many lines. Trim tool selects a line till the intersection point. A complete line can also be deleted using trim tool. If we have to cut a spline, we can just draw a line intersecting it and remove the unwanted parts. In this way, complicated sketches can easily be achieved using trim tool.